Yo guys, hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today we took a small loss of $318, 400, which makes us 3,400 on the accounts. Yesterday I took 647 for trying to get a winning day, which just did not work for me. So I'm gonna stop trying to get that winning day and just aim for 1,500 per day. This was literally. This was unfortunate, this trade, because if I go to there is trading view. So I was risking 3 micros, entered off. So I knew this was gonna come up longs because everything was aligning 0.88, and then we SMT'd at the lows, and it was at 10 a.m. key open. So I was pretty confident with this, and then I entered off the 30-second order block with that retrace coming down over here. Boom, 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 boom. I took 2 trades with this one. So right now I'll be up like $2,000. Anyways, first one being I was up like $400. Blah blah blah. We came down, and I thought maybe we'll create that lower time frame SMT on the 30 seconds. So then I re-entered over here, and I had my stop loss bracket ticks already set. So when I entered, it literally stopped me out within 1 second because I had this stop loss thing, whatever, ticked at like, I don't know how much. It was so low. Like maybe I think like, I don't know, but it was very low. So when price came down, I had it stopped at like 100 ticks. Less. I think it was like, bro, 50 ticks or something. I don't even know. So when I was entering off the SMT over here, I literally entered over here, and then price maybe about here, had my buy order, and then this thing second candle just literally stopped me out at, what was it, 340? Was it 330? 330, so I would have entered over here, and that second candle over here cooked me. It was like that. My second attempt, that's how I got 2 entries in that. This was purely just like unlucky with this, bro, with this trade, but I'm like still $500 from Max Payout, still 1 trade away, so I'm not too fussed about that. Like, at least, look, the setup was there, my bias was correct. I knew this was gonna come up. Everything aligns. There was a daily order block, so we got a higher time frame PDA right there, filling that order block, tapping into that rejection block as well. So I knew this was gonna come up. It was the same shit every single trade, but just in different form. It would have been the same thing when price kept going up, and then when I reverse it down there, literally same thing played out. I knew it was going to reverse. I just got really, really unlucky with that second trade with this being ticked on, and yeah, I would have feel like full take profit already. So literally got wicked out. Not wicked out, but yeah, basically did get wicked out, but it is what it is. With like three more winning days off a payout. So I'm gonna take it easy. I'm not gonna try and let this ruin my psychology because I'm so close. I remember back in November when I was so close to getting a 16k payout, I fumbled it. I was literally in this same position. It was 2 more winning days. 3 more winning days. No, it was 2 more winning days from that. And I fumbled it because I let these small losses get to me when I tried getting those winning days. And when I let those losses get to me, I blew the account. I started risking more, but I took the minimum loss between $300 to $400. It is what it is. My goal is just to make 1,500 because I've got 5 top step accounts. I'm not going to go for these crazy trades. All I need is literally $500 more. And reason being I say 1,500 is because I got that extra $500 in buffer just in case I lose a bit going for those winning days. But I'm very, very close. I'm super close. And I'm not gonna fumble it. I'm not gonna let this get in my head. This stupid loss I took from that second trade. It happens. It happens. I'm not gonna go full with the account now because I just have to accept the loss. And at least my bias was right. At least my trade was correct because it looks like it's gonna hit full TP. If not, I would have trailed it up to here. Would have trailed at this thing. So $900. There we go. Or even up here. So it is what it is. Come back either tomorrow. If the setup appears, it doesn't. We always go next week. So I'm gonna wrap up this trade recap. So I was 3,163. If it's not including these accounts, I'm not gonna include. It will be 36912. Around $1,800 we lost. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed that little small recap. And yeah, take care.